police personnel and one civilian sustained injury when a powerful bomb exploded at Thangal Bazaar, Imphal this morning. The injured were rushed to a nearest hospital for medical treatment. As per reports, police officials rushed to the venue and started an investigation. Further details are awaited in this regard. To be mentioned, a high-intensity IED was exploded at Telepathy of Imphal East on the night of November 2 last, wherein 3 BSF personnel were injured. NEIFT organized a 2-day mega Northeast Festival at DLF Place, New Delhi on October 2nd and 3rd. The festival was held under the theme Celebrating Northeast. As a part of the event, designer Robert Naurem showcased his collection during a fashion show, in which film actor Bala Hizam was the showstopper. Ahead of the Hornbill Festival, the Nagaland Tourist Police issued a number of security tips and guidelines for tourists, both domestic and foreign, traveling to the state. According to media reports, the NTP urged the tourists not to visit isolated places without a proper guide. The police also asked the tourists to pay the driver only after reaching the destination. Manipur's Department of Education is planning to provide an opportunity for a helicopter ride to the students studying in classes 4 to 8 of the government schools. This initiative is funded by Samagra Siksha State Implementing Society, Manipur. The Lilabari Airport in Assam's North Lakhimpur will soon become an aviation hub. The 4th Aviation Training Center of the country will be set up in the airport. This is after Allahabad, Delhi and Hyderabad.